Well, hello. What's up, everyone? Back with another video. That was my little dog, Lucy. You saw it right there. She is our guest today. We got another loot crate, but this one seems a bit smaller than the rest. But, regardless, let us open it up and see what we have. Oh, hey, Cortana, how you doing? I'm just outright just showing us the document. They bent the document. How do you do that? How do you do that? Are you? What kind of packing is this? You could have. Actually, no, you couldn't have. But still, you could have made the box a little bigger. Man, this is secret documents that's going on YouTube. Yet they're doing it. Oh, it's another little poster. Well, I'll open that here in a minute. Oh. Here's the new statue. Chief hurtling over a poor little grunt. It's gonna go right over there for the rest of my collection. Oh yeah, I also did Dishonored, Dishonored 2's collector's edition, but I mean, everyone knows what's gonna be in it, so I didn't decide to make a video on it. I'll open you up in a minute. See what else we have. What is this? This is what I'm really curious about. What is this purple box here? It's got a stick. It's actually very heavy. I'll open you up in a minute. A lot of strange things in this. What is this? Not suited for children under 12. Oh, darn. Too bad, I guess, right? Well, ooh. Shuts. It's cold. Hold on. Be right back. Well then, apparently it's Captain Jacob Key's shirt. It's nothing really too special, but I mean it's there. Pretty cool. Feels pretty comfortable like usual. Very cold actually. What's it called? This shirt would actually make sense for me considering my name is actually Jacob. Ooh. Halo Conflict. This is one of the new pins. I like this one. It's not gold like all the others. What's this? Are these stickers? These are stickers, little decals. I mean, cool. I could dig them. I like the ODST one right there. And the Spirit of Fire. I guess we'll use. Alright. Now we're going to try and open these one-handed. Let's see what's going to go on here. What is this, like a glasses case or something? Ah! It's trying to run away from me. Oh, crap. It's a little energy sword. Wait, does it? Oh, that's so sick. It's so tiny, but it's so sick. Hold on. Let me turn off the light a little bit. Maybe you can see a little back. That is cool. Does it come with like a stand or something? I mean, I wouldn't know where to put it. Zzz, zzz. Wait, no, hold on. Let's play some. Okay, that's enough. I'm too much of a kid. How I jump? There we go. I'm too much of a kid. Is there anything else in here other than just the phone? Nope, it's phone. That's what it came in. I'll have to fix that in a minute. This, though, this thing is mighty heavy, actually. How do I open this? Okay, hold on. I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back, and I think I found a tire. I don't know what this is. It is heavy. What is this? Covered in bubble wrap. So that's awesome. I'll probably take the bubble wrap. Wait a minute. Is it a... It's a plasma grenade mug. Are you serious? Or is that the Master Chief's helmet? I can't tell what that is. I want to say it's a plasma grenade, though. It's a fucking mug. Hell yeah. It's a little janky looking, I'll admit. It wouldn't have been my first choice, but what was this? Made in China, of course. Hand wash only. Do not microwave. Well done. Oh well. A toast to friendship. I don't know. It's kind of cool, I guess. I mean, it is the holidays. You're gonna need a little mug for your hot chocolate and stuff like that for when it gets cold. Okay, nothing else in the box. Nope. Alright, now for the piece de resistance, what everyone's been waiting for. Now the challenge is, will I be able to do it one-handed? Oh. I'm definitely not cheating or anything. I'm definitely, doing this one-handed, not using my other hand as a support or anything. I don't know if there's somewhere, just to show you that I was doing this one-handed. Yeah, you're probably hearing noises in the background. That is actually Destiny. Okay, got it. Let's open this bad boy up. Okay. Professional unboxing. Okay. Now, Lucy, come back. You're the guest of honor. You're so tiny on the camera. Okay, I'll be right back. Alright, I'm back and I got everything together. Look at this awesomeness. Let it focus. There we go. Nice and clean. I really dig the way Chief looks right now. He's so cool looking. And just look at the grunt. The poor guy. Chief was actually trying to get to the cookie jar before him. And, well, you can see how that's going. Or they're playing a game of leapfrog or something. At first, I was kind of confused because there was only one peg. I was like, oh, well, where's Chief go? And then I realized there's a peg. There's a little shell there. There's a little methane tank or whatever it's supposed to be. Well, regardless, I really like this one. This one's probably one of my favorites, especially compared to what Buck looked like. He looked kind of weird. All right, hold on. Let's see if we can't make room for that. No. I'm gonna have to. Hold on. I'm gonna try and do stuff here. I just love bubble wrap, man. It's so glorious. Alright, so basically I got it all set up right here. It doesn't look the way I want it to, but it's for it all to connect. Caboose seems to be kind of getting stabbed in the rear end there, but I don't really mind it too much. Buck's kind of doing his own thing. Having a nice little toast there, literally. And I pulled out the poster, and my God, am I surprised? I love this. It's freaking the Silent Cartographer, probably one of the better missions of Halo 1. It is so cool. I really love this. This is definitely going up on my wall. Heck, what's it called? That other poster from before? It's right there. With the box of the last Halo Loot Crate. Because I really, really dig that ODST look. It's just so cool. It really is. Alright, anyway. I don't know where I'm going to put this at. Probably, since that Cortana's there, I might be putting that one up too, because that one looks pretty cool too. I mean, just look at it. Oh, jeez, don't hit your head. But just look at it. It looks so cool. I love these designs. I would have done the first box too, but I mean, it's the first box. It's the first Loot Crate I've ever gotten. I can't just dismantle it. Man, how cool it looks. Okay, let's go digging into this. I'm already seeing a little. Oh, what? Is there more in there? Very good. What? Installation 04 Public Library. That's pretty cool. Some nice Covenant pictures. I have to hurry up here. I'll waste time too much. That's the Halo installation. Here's the secret documents. Pause the video to read it. Oh, there's only 2 here. Alright. Sorry that I kind of drawed on the video a little long, so I'm going to have to end it here, guys. Alright. See you later. Cortana. Lucy wins. Okay, let's go. Bye.